5 seconds to go. Start. In addition to the facts stated in the two factual reports above, it is most respectfully submitted that the accused respondent number 2 is a police officer who is well versed with the process of law and an insider to law enforcement machinery in the state of Rajasthan. Therefore, it is even more important that the investigation proceed without the accused respondent number 2 being under the protection of the Hon'ble Court. Further, the fact unearthed in the investigation till now detailed in the above two factual reports corroborate and prove the allegations made by the petitioner. In addition, the FIR number 234 of 2020 details how a false case was sought to be created against the petitioner and her family. It is most respectfully submitted that on the strength of facts laid out above, the answering respondent seeks cancellation of the anticipatory bail granted on accused respondent number 2. In particular, it is imperative that all efforts be made to find the obscene photographs, videos, mobile phone and clothes bag of the victim, in addition to other pieces of evidence that the accused respondent number 2 alone will have knowledge of. It may be noted that the accused respondent number 2 has not fully cooperated with the investigation as noted in the factual report dated 23rd November 2021. In light of the above submissions, it is most respectfully prayed before this Hon'ble Court that impugned order granting anticipatory bail respondent number 2 be set aside and the respondent state be at liberty to proceed with the investigation as it sees fit without the accused being under any protection from this Hon'ble Court. In the aforesaid counter affidavit, the Additional Deputy Commissioner of Police, Jaipur West, Jaipur, duly authorized by the State of Rajasthan, who filed the affidavit, had stated in paragraph 5 that substantial evidence has been unearthed which proves that the respondent number 2, who is a police officer, is guilty of the offences details whereof are mentioned in the report dated 23rd November 2021. In paragraph 6, it has been stated that respondent number 2 managed to get a false report lodged against the appellant registered as FIR number 234 of 2020, which after detailed investigation was found to be based on false information and no offence was made out against the appellant or her family members. The final report under section 173(2) CrPC has already been submitted on 27 September 2021. In paragraph 7, it is stated that the police officer who is well versed in the process of law and a part of the law enforcement machinery, it is all the more important that the investigation must proceed without the respondent number 2 being under the protection of this court. In paragraph 9, it is stated that order for granting anticipatory bail needs to be cancelled, in particular for the reason that efforts are still on to recover the obscene photographs, videos, mobile phone and the bag of clothes of the victim, in addition to other pieces of evidence from the respondent number 2, who alone would be having knowledge of the same. Stop.